All right, let's go back to the very beginning. So let's just import our turtle, and let's leave it at that for top, and t equals to turtle dot turtle. That's all we're going to do at the very beginning. But in this section, we're going to go through all of the movement commands properly. These are the thing that you will use constantly in most of your projects every single time. So we looked at the basic ones already. So obviously you can go forward and then you can go backward. So these are pretty simple. Actually, let me turn off my inline suggestions. So you can turn these off if you find it annoying. You can simply disable AI suggestions. Next, we can do, as you can see, we can do right 100, maybe left 100. So you technically wouldn't use terms like 100 inside these because you want to use specific angles. So if you do 90, it's going to look to perpendicular to where it's looking right now. And if you do something like 45, it's going to look at a sloped angle, more like an inclination of an angle. Next thing, you can directly move your turtle without drawing anything. So you can just do t.goto and then go to a direct location on your map. And the next thing that you can do is obviously you can come right back using t.home. You can change the speed of your turtle. So t.speed can be something like 0. 1 is the slowest speed. So something you have to remember about speed is the higher that you increase this value, the slower your turtle is going to be. So the thing that you have to remember is the higher that you increase this value, the faster your turtle is going to be. 1 is the slowest, where you can watch your turtle beginning to draw a line and it goes slowly. 10 is the fastest. 0 is a special case. When you put the turtle speed to 0, everything draws instantly. That way we're not sitting around for things to draw. So let's try running this and see what's happening. On the very end, I do have to t.click exit turtle.exit on click. So we can see our turtle goes back, forth and back, then goes up, comes back, and then stops. So it went forward, backward, it went right, it looked to the right, then it looked to the left a little bit. It directly went to a location, so this location was probably up here. Then it came back home, and then it set its speed to 0. That's all it did. Now let's try to write an actual program. So let's remove all of these instructions. And instead of instructions, I will write something. So t.speed is 0. Since we don't want the turtle to, have an animation while moving around, everything needs to be instant. Then t.pen up. So pen up and pen down are two distinct things that you can do with turtle. Whenever your turtle has his pen up, or whenever your turtle has its pen up, then any time that it moves, it won't show anything on the screen. Whenever it has its pen down, wherever it moves, it will draw a path to that location. So pen up basically means we're not drawing anything. I want my turtle to move, but not draw with it. So t.goto 100 and 100. I want to go to this location, but I don't want my turtle to draw a line while I'm going there. After I'm down there, I want to do pen down. So now I want to start drawing, and I want to t.forward. So I want to go forward by, let's say, about 100. So we should move to a place where it's 100, 100. And I should start drawing and then go forward for about 100 units. So that's what we did. We were around over here, which is our home. We went up 100 and right 100. And then we started here and we went forward 100 again. But during this forward time, the pen was down. But when moving to this starting point, our pen was up. So you don't see a line here. If while moving up, you didn't have your pen up, so if I simply remove the pen up and pen down, you would see that it went up there and then move forward from there.